If you have noticed that over time your vehicle's coolant level keeps dropping and you can't find any visible signs of leaks, it is very likely that the engine is consuming coolant internally. In most cases, you will realize that something is wrong with the engine when you notice continuous white smoke coming out of the exhaust, even after the engine has reached operating temperature. This condition usually indicates that coolant is entering the combustion chamber. Below are the most common causes of this problem. Blown head gasket. The head gasket can fail when it reaches the end of its service life or as a result of engine overheating. When this happens, the gasket no longer seals properly between the coolant passages and the engine cylinders. As a result, coolant leaks into the combustion chamber, where it evaporates during combustion and is expelled through the exhaust system as white smoke. This is why no external coolant leaks or visible traces are usually found on the ground or on the outside of the engine. Solution: the head gasket must be removed to inspect the condition of the gasket. If damage is confirmed, the head gasket must be replaced following the manufacturer's recommended procedures and torque specifications. Corroded head cylinder. This type of failure commonly occurs when tap water is used instead of proper engine coolant. Depending on the region, tap water may contain minerals and salts that over time cause internal corrosion in the cylinder head coolant passages. Since these passages are located very close to the combustion chamber, corrosion can break through the barrier between the coolant passages and the combustion chamber, allowing coolant to evaporate and exit through the exhaust. Solution: the head cylinder must be removed and the coolant passages carefully inspected, both in the cylinder head and the engine block. Corroded areas or pitting can be repaired at engine machine shops using specialized equipment. If the coolant consumption is minimal and the internal damage is still minor, a temporary option is to use liquid coolant leak sealers. These products are designed to seal small internal leaks within the engine. However, it is important to understand that this is not a permanent repair and should only be considered a short-term solution. A proper mechanical repair is always recommended. Warped cylinder head due to overheating. Engine overheating is another common cause of internal coolant consumption. If the vehicle has experienced a severe overheating condition, the head gasket may have burned or the cylinder head may have warped due to excessive heat. This deformation allows coolant to enter the combustion chamber, resulting in continuous white smoke from the exhaust. Solution: the head cylinder must be removed and the head gasket inspected, and the cylinder head tested for warpage and cracks using proper machining and pressure testing procedures. I recommend that you watch the videos on my channel where you will learn how to identify failure symptoms and solutions for all the sensors your vehicle is equipped with.